Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how to make Ginataang Munggo. Ginataang Munggo is sweetened red mung beans, but since I don't have red mung beans at the moment, I'll be using the green mung beans or your ordinary munggo that you use for Ginataang Munggo. So you just have to roast this until it turns out red, and I'll show it to you later. You need to have a little workout because your muscle is needed to rub off the husk of mung beans. So I just use a glass bottle and then just put the mung beans inside a plastic. So you need to have a little patience here because after a few minutes you'll be sweating. This is my first time. I don't know how to do this, but I think I'm a bit successful. However, I need to be wiser, so this will be easier for me. See, I'm just using seed. Once rice is added, you stir it continuously so it won't stay at the bottom of your pot, and make sure that your water is more than enough because rice won't be cooked easily if the water is just enough for it. So make sure it's more than enough. When you see that it's getting thick, feel free to add water. So you need to keep adding water until your rice is cooked. And yeah, that's your Ginataang Munggo. So some add milk. So it's up to you if you just want to add milk, just like champorado. See you again in my next video. Please give this a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, Kaka, and please subscribe. Thank you.